Hello, just a quick video. I'm currently doing the crank pulley upgrade for the E60 using the Range Rover L322 crank pulley. Now, to do this upgrade, you're going to have to get two new belts. For the aircon, you're going to need a 4PK, and for the ancillaries, you're going to need a 5PK 2063. For the aircon, 4PK 813. Now, the reason why I'm doing this is because, let's put the camera down, this is the old one. You can clearly see the cracks in it. It's a rubber design, which is a silly design really. You can clearly hear loads of movement in it. So that's the reason why I'm changing it, because I'm getting a lot of rattling coming from there. And I believe that's probably the reason why I'm getting a lot of vibration at high speed. I hope it is, but it was worth changing anyway, because I noticed that it wasn't running right. So I'm just going to take you outside because I've already fitted the Range Rover pulley. It's the same fitment, and this one's solid steel. There's no rubber. As far as I can see, there's no rubber. It's definitely solid steel, this. And when you fit the belt, the aircon one, because it's shorter, has to go on the outside of the grooves, and the one for the ancillaries has to go on the inside of the grooves. And looking at other upgrades, it's ran absolutely fine. There's no problems in doing this. So there's a bit of info for you, and I'll let you know if I encounter any problems. Thanks for watching. Oh, before I actually go, also to get better access to this, you're better off removing this panel and the fan, and that should give you better access. Cheers, bye.